Hello, welcome to the WindEnergy Hamburg 2024, where at the AI Center we are showing great AI solutions of AI startups helping the industry to improve. These solutions are helping to increase revenue of wind farms of up to 3% or driving their efficiency by up to 30%. That again shows how AI can help increase efficiency in the wind energy industry. So see you here or see us on December 5th at the AI Summit in Hamburg, where we will have more than 30 AI startups in 6 different industries, plus in Gen AI, presenting their solutions where corporations are able to find solutions who help them here and today to improve their business. Welcome to AI Centers.
AI